L'Union est en train de mettre en place le service d'action extérieure, l'outil de la nouvelle diplomatie européenne. 7000 personnes devraient y travailler. Parmi celles-ci, Paul Van Doren, ambassadeur de l'Union européenne en Croatie, un travail à temps plein dans un pays qui est en passe de devenir le 28e État membre européen. Pour être ambassadeur de l'Union européenne, il faut rester en forme. L'agenda est toujours bien rempli.
My name is Paul Van Doren. I have the Belgian nationality. I grew up in Flanders. I have a legal background and also specialized in European law as well as in American law. Here we have one very clear objective. It's the accession of Croatia as the 28th member state to the European Union. So my role is basically to accompany this process of negotiations by liaising with the authorities at all possible levels, with academia, with civil society, with the business community.
Nous sommes en Croatie, plus précisément à Zagreb, la capitale du pays. Depuis le 1er décembre 2009, Paul Van Doren est officiellement ambassadeur de l'Union européenne, une fonction créée par le traité de Lisbonne.
We, as EU ambassadors, do represent exclusively the EU interests. And from that point of view, the role of the EU ambassador, by contrast before when we were head of delegation of the European Commission, the role is indeed significantly more important than before. Hello Branko, how are you doing?
How are you?
Somehow also different than just a national representation, because they are presenting one project which is so unique in our continent, bringing peace, stability, and making Croatia also part of one big family, as Europe is.
Après la politique et l'économie, Paul Van Doren va rencontrer le gouverneur de la Banque centrale croate.
I intend to ask him about his impressions of what recently happened in the European Union, in particular with regard to the situation, the financial crisis in Greece. And of course, I would also like to hear his views on the decisions which have been taken by the leaders of Europe, of the European Union at the last Council in Brussels.
De retour à l'ambassade, Paul Van Doren téléphone à son supérieur de la Direction générale élargissement de la Commission européenne. Il lui parle de sa dernière rencontre avec un nouveau membre du gouvernement croate.
Yes, this is Paul Van Doren calling here from the delegation in Zagreb. Can I speak with Director General Michael Lee, please? Oh, Michael, good morning. Michael, I wanted to debrief you on two meetings I had yesterday. One was with the new State Secretary for European Integration at the MFA, Mr. Plenković. Yes, surely. The other issue is, as you know, the information and communication strategy, which the Croatian authorities should set up in order to inform the citizens of Croatia.
Paul Van Doren est l'un des pionniers du nouveau service diplomatique européen. Il représente la voix de l'Union en Croatie, un rôle jusqu'à présent dévolu aux ambassadeurs des 27 États membres.
It is much more efficient from the point of view to have one EU ambassador, but of course, as I said, this External Action Service is not yet fully operational, but will be in place very soon. I'm confident that this will work. This will still remain some adjustment because it is foreseen that in the External Action Service there will be Commission officials like I am, officials from the Council Secretariat and also diplomatic representatives of our member states.
En 2012, Paul Van Doren quittera la Croatie, qui devrait devenir d'ici là le prochain État membre de l'Union.